Page 30, Playful Puppy. 4/4 time, 2 sharps. So we're in D major or B minor. Well, look at the end. The 8th notes. I'd say it's D major. Right hand first. Let's just do this. You get the notes and the fingering and the rhythm first on one hand at a time. So at the beginning, it's rest and 2 and you hold that down for 4 counts and do it again. 1 and 2 and then measure 5. Look out. Now this isn't real convenient fingering here. Measure 5 here. But it's about all we're kind of stuck with it. It helps that they're staccatos because the staccatos is going to let us move. Here. But right now we're playing it as legato as we can. Well, we can't play this legato. So you got to lift up here, get that move. That's a D, yeah. And then you do it again on measure 7. And then on measure 9, you stay where you are. And they're saying a 2-5 and a 1. 2-5 is okay. You can also do a 2-4 and a 1. You don't have to do a 1. You can do a 3 here. That's fine. But you need 3 again down here for the F sharp. So maybe you'd rather use a 1 or a 2 or something. If you're using 2, you can do 1 and then lift up and come down. Like so. Just know that you've got to move around some. That happens. Left hand you have treble clef. I'm just rocking the hand back and forth, transferring weight side to side. Then on measure 5, it's whole notes here. And that ugly chord, that is a D, an E, a G, and an A. Line is here and then an A and a G, and I do a 2-3 for the D F sharp here just because I'm in this position. I can do that, and then you come down. And the last note is a D, of course. Put the hands together. Again, we're playing as legato as we can still. Rest, rest. Now here, going from here, whichever finger you're using, you got to come down here. So you may have to practice that. Both hands at the same time. Rest. Take it your speed, not mine. But it has to be eventually where the beat is steady. No hesitations anywhere. And we can add the articulation. A nice light wrist staccato here. Now here, you're staccato here but not here. So, and you have an accent on that whole note. Give it a little extra oomph. So again. This is where it helps us move here. Here, something like that. And then we add the dynamics. That's for the right hand. You have to decide what moderately loud and soft and all those are, but whatever it is, keep the left hand softer than that. Soft. It's like you're echoing it. Soft. That's an accent on that too. Now moderately loud. Soft. At the end. Then you add the speed. Well, this is a fast piece. So you have to play it accurate. You need to be under control. Everything's under control. All the eighth notes are even and everything. And then you can see how fast can you take it at that. Something like that. It's my impression of it. You have to take it at your speed and you play with it. It's a playful piece. I'd like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do the dynamics. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's just go over it very slowly. 1, 2, and ready, and go, and 1, and. And 4 and. 3 and 4 and. 1, rest, rest. Rest, rest.